Hi, this is City, your Canadian CPA, checking in as we get ready for the 2025 tax season. This special episode is a quick reminder of what to watch for before you hit File on your tax return or click Send to forward everything to your accountant. First, let's talk about your slips. The most common ones are your T4 and T5 slips, and if you are more like a freelancer, you may also receive a T4A. These slips have a due date of February 28th. For 2026, because the due date falls on a weekend, we accountants will be working through the weekend to make sure the slips are filed no later than Monday, March 2nd, 2026. Speaking of due date, don't forget that your RRSP contribution deadline is also March 2nd if you want the deduction on your 2025 income. But as mentioned previously, do not over-contribute to your RRSP. The excess will not give you extra deduction and can actually cause more problems. For those receiving T3 and T5013 slips, think twice before you start the filing process. These slips are due on March 31st. If you know you should be getting these types of slips, make sure you have them in hand before you proceed to filling. Otherwise, CRA's T1 matching department will likely be in touch with you later. In short, make a checklist or ask your accountant for one. Based on what you filed last year and the arrangements you have with your investment companies or banks, tick and batch your T4, T4A, T5, T3, T5013, T5008, trading summaries, RRSP receipts, and any tuition or other credit slips. With working from home still common in Canada, make sure you receive your T2200 from your employer and check what they allow you to claim as employment expenses. That should provide some relief on your income. Make sure you have backup for your bills and a calculation sheet for those expenses, or ask your accountant for a template to help you calculate them. Reminder, only file once you're confident everything has arrived. Finally, a couple of quick changes this year beyond the rate changes we talked about in the previous episode. First, the new Canada Disability Benefit is tied to eligibility for the Disability Tax Credit. If you or a family member lives with a disability, make sure your T2201 form completed by your physician or nurse practitioner is kept on file. The other thing is the free filing services offered by CRA. In addition to the certified software options that may be free, CRA offers Simple File for some lower-income Canadians with simple situations. Simple File is a free service by phone or online that can auto-file your return based on the information CRA already have on file, such as your tax slips. If you are eligible, CRA should have already sent you a letter or notification about it. As always, if you have any doubts, make sure to reach out to your accountant. Hope you get the result you are hoping on your tax return this year.